Hi everyone, I'm Sandra Matos. Welcome to IO2. Get ready to be overloaded with news. First up, it's the world's oldest mother. Omkari Singh made headlines in 2008 when at the age of 70 she gave birth to twins, a boy and a girl. Sadly, the girl died at the age of 4. At the age of 76, Singh is the world's oldest mother. What age do you think is too old to have a baby? Now her and her 89-year-old husband see that it's not easy keeping up with a 6-year-old, but mom says she could not be happier. She claims that she is not worried that after her death, her daughter will take care of the boy. The couple are already parents to 2 grown women and to 5 grandchildren, but they were desperate to have a boy. Singh wanted to make sure that they had a son to take over the house after the couple died. I suppose the daughters aren't capable of taking over the house, but are capable of taking care of the boy? It's a whole other story. Sigh. So the couple sold their buffaloes, they mortgaged their land, took out a credit card, and spent their life savings to have IVF treatment. Think this kid gets away with murder because his parents are older? I got away with quite a few things back in the day. My parents are a lot older. Next up, it's a new viral sensation. A man sits in front of the camera for 4 hours, sitting there, smiling, 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 for 4 hours. I don't know how people came across this on YouTube, but they did, and they've watched him do it 25 times. That's 4 days worth of just sitting there smiling at the camera. 100 hours of his life. Who's got time to do this shit? Do you think he manipulated his videos to make them appear to be 4 hours long? He could be a really talented film major. And now fitness star Greg Pitt has died. Of all the ways to die in Hollywood, this man got hit by a train. The 37-year-old passed away this week after he was hit by a Metrolink train. One passenger came forward saying that he saw Pitt. He was dressed all in black and stumbled over the train tracks. He had a camcorder in his hand at the time. The friend says that he was filming an advertisement for a protein shake. Pitt was very established. He was a renowned fitness instructor and did work in television and film. He appeared in a number of Hollywood movies, with roles alongside the prestige Robert De Niro and Matt Damon in The Good Shepherd, and he was cast in Terminator 4 alongside Christian Bale. Eerie though, just a month before he died, he posted this to his Twitter account. He asked fans, "Will you be remembered?" I'm sure he will be remembered. And there you have it. That's what's going on in the news. I'm Sandra Matos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.